Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find saved videos on YouTube. Now, let's open up a video and let's say you saved this video and you want to go back and rewatch it. You can see as I swipe over, there's both a download button and a save button. I'll walk you through the steps if you tapped either one of those, but let's tap on save here and you can immediately see it has saved this, but it doesn't indicate where to find it, and it's not super intuitive where to find it. Now, once we're out of here, we can always go back and find those saved videos by tapping on the U button at the bottom right. Now, within the U button, you can see history. It does pop up in history, but you'll be able to see all of those saved videos in one of two places. If you downloaded it, you'll be able to see a download option here, or you can tap on playlist here. And when you save a video, it puts it in the watch later playlist. Now, if I open this up, you'll be able to see here's that video that I just saved. I can always tap on those three dots and I can choose to remove it from this watch later. Now, let's say instead of the app, you're on the desktop-based version. It's easy to find it in here. All you need to do is tap on those three lines at the top left, and then you'll be able to see again, watch later. For whatever reason, they call it save when you're watching the video, but then it saves it into the watch later playlist. Keep in mind, on here, it's completely private. No one else can see this watch later playlist, and you'll always be able to remove or add videos to it. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.